All right. Welcome back, guys, to another live trading session this morning. Let's see. Right. All right. All right. Had a couple of movers today during pre-market that were a little bit weird because they were up on nothing, like no news at all. HJLI was one of those, came up, popped up here from the 677 all the way up to the $9 on no news at all. Did not have a shelf registration. It's has about 6 million in the float. The next one that I was watching is WHLM. WHLM. It's been flatlining for a little bit, so I'm kind of wary of it right now. But it did have quite a move in the aftermarket, and yeah, it's one of those that I'll be watching because it actually has a little bit of news. So let's look at the news. PCSA, nothing. Had news back on the 27th. Pharmaceutical news to present at a Zooming with LD Micro virtual investor event. Not too interesting. Auto also had a little bit of news the other day. AutoWeb acquires assets of vehicle acquisition company Car Zeus. Not really looking good on the pre-market chart. Daily chart, let's see. 319, it's above that. Did it come back below this level? Yeah, it did. So this was the support that I had set up earlier, 373. Oh, and also this one has a shelf registration on it. But this is the one that I'll probably be watching the hardest, is WHLM. Because HJLI just has no reason to come back up. No reason at all. Let me see if Ben is up real quick. May not be up yet. Let me text him. Right. Anyway, WHLM not looking too good with this little curling formation here. We have about 30 minutes to the opening bell, and we'll be getting it in. All of these are low floats, so That's pretty much what I'm focusing on. I'm not even going to worry about the higher float ones. It's just no point at this time. PCSA has a float of 9 million. Auto has a float of 8 to 9 million. There was a little bit of variation between Yahoo Finance and FinViz. WHL has a float of 1 to 4 million. And then HJLI float of 6 million. All right. This one has bounced off of this this $6 area multiple times. Worked its way down here, bounced once here, went back up. Or actually, this was in the aftermarket where it ended off of the $6 and then opened today here. Came down, bounced off of the 590s, came back down, bounced off of it again. So we'll see if the 590s can hold up. Daily chart support is at this 570-ish area. We have a little bit of resistance back up here at the 670s. I'm going to put this resistance in here. Got resistance there. And there. It's got a little bit of resistance up there. Not seeing anything else that looks even relatively good right now. Okay. WHLM kind of getting a new hold point right here. 602s. We'll be watching that for support. Getting bought up a little bit there on the level 2, 605s. Can we see it break over this 608, 610 level? Start moving up. Not much volume at all on these candles. Oh, oh, really? Okay, let's call him. Hmm. Hmm. He said he's up, but don't see don't see him here. Let me go look and see if he's streaming yet. Okay, he's not streaming just yet. WHLM getting a lot of consolidation here. Getting a little buying there. Need to see that volume start to pick up. It's above HJL. I did get up there above the 200 moving average though. That's nice. So 831. We'll see if it can hold up that 200 average, but it has no reason to. So be careful. MNR or PR. Let's see if it has any kind of news. Had a little bit of FDA clearance to proceed with Cam Siri Beeson. Cam Siru Beeson for a clinical trial, so not too interesting. NETE popped up here as well. Ben, can you hear me?
I can hear you. What's going on now?
Not much, man. I didn't know you were starting at 8:05. I went to your stream and said 8:05. I was like, oh, he's not started yet.
Yeah, I'm never on time, man. I'm always late.
Oh, it's all good. Just don't work with the mafia. You're gonna have to give up some fingers.
Yeah, they already tried to take my fingers.
Today I'm looking at low floats. What's up on my scanner is HJLI, WHLM that we talked about.
Yeah, I see it's
AU,
up.
yeah, AUTO, PCSA, NETE, and MNPR. So those would be the ones that I'm kind of following.
All right, that was a whole bunch. I got one of those.
WHLM, look at it blasting up there, man.
Yeah, I
Literally.
saw. Good morning, Fat Boy Drizzy. Yeah, man. Oh, okay, here we go. I got XCLA. Neat, NETE, I think, is another crypto stock, if I remember correctly. I may be wrong, but I think it is. Nothing on the
WHLM,
market.
man. Just we were watching it just a moment ago and it was down here just chilling around the 606 and now all of a sudden, but it hasn't completed my strategy, so I won't be entering just yet. But it is getting quite volatile.
Yeah, nice buying volume coming in there. I'm not gonna touch that yet. I'm gonna wait a little bit. Take that out. XCLA with a perfect little U shape on the daily. If it can break three today, that's good. Well, it's actually already over three. Good morning, Donnell. Hmm.
All right, yeah, WHLM getting a little topping tail there. It's had this little downtrend. That's why I hadn't been touching it because I don't know if it's gonna go up there and reject through the floor.
Yeah. Well, right now it looks like it may make a head and shoulders here at market open. And you look in that, if you look at after hours, there's the shoulder where it ran up, and then seven, that high in the middle of pre-market would be the head, and then if this gets stopped at the 650 to 660 area, that'd be another shoulder.
It looks more like a flat top to me.
Good morning, right?
There it goes, getting that rejection. Uh-oh.
A flat top? Where do you see a flat top? I'm seeing a head and shoulders pattern.
It's got a flat top right on the 650. Every time it's got up to the 650, it's kind of gotten very rejected.
Yeah, that's where the shoulder is forming right now. The other shoulder. Look back to after hours yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man, it's head and shoulders, man. What you talking about? You see, you see, that's a pretty clear head and shoulders. Unless I'm tripping. I don't know, man. I'd expect to pull back at market open though, since
Oh
it's
yeah.
already running.
Yep. I just don't like all the topping wicks on it. But it does have that bottom at the 592.
Mhm, mhm. See, EVK is held above four. Oh, what's AUTL looking like today? The one that didn't get any PR. That's the one I'm most interested, or that didn't get any action yesterday with that good PR. All
AU.
right, it's 6.
Hmm. Yeah, it's kind of
Low
lost out.
volume.
Yeah, that volume's nasty.
Good morning, Brian. Works could be possible mover. What's OE? Let's see. OLTK's got positive data in wet AMD patients. I don't know. I don't know what that means.
You know what it means.
So, okay, this is phase 3. So positive phase 3. Yeah, they achieve statistically significant primary endpoints for whatever wet AMD is. So this is good if I can figure out what exactly.
What ticker is that?
OTLK.
Um.
Oh, it's some kind of vision stock. Let's see. Evaluating for neovascular age-related macular degeneration.
Yeah.
I don't know if that is a.
Yeah, that's still in the trial phases though. So.
Well, this is positive phase 3, so next would be FDA approval.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it doesn't say it at the top. You have to like go down the like one of the middle or bottom ones.
Yeah.
But
WH.
it is positive phase 3. You've got some of it already, Brian. Nice. Let's be a little cautious here, because we've not seen things hold up very well at market open. They might give a little quick shoot up, but it is definitely an interesting one. How's BTBT today? Oh yeah, BTBT looking good at that 1065. Very nice.
It's looking good every day, huh?
Yeah, it just keeps looking better and better, man.
Oh man, I hate BTBT.
Why you hate it so much? Because I'm making money on it.
It takes too much time to make money.
Nah, man, this thing ripped yesterday morning from 9 all the way up to 11:25 in like 10 minutes, 20 minutes.
Oh my goodness, that's too long.
You ain't got any patience.
Man, I got plenty of patience. I just don't spend it a lot.
Okay.
WHLM finding that resistance up there, that 650 kind of holding it. I'm gonna see if it can hold up, but it's looking kind of weak at that 650 level.
Yeah, it's looking like a head and shoulders, man. It's going to dump right here at market open at that 650 area. Going to complete that head and shoulders pattern. Let's see. Oh, yeah, Neat was the other one I want to look at, because that one is a crypto stock, I'm pretty sure. Oh, no. Okay. That's weird. So they've got a agreement, a $60 million agreement to purchase 1,200 electric vehicle vans. Yeah, so that's good. They're going to be buying 1,000 EV vans, whoever the company is, from NETE. Thought this was a crypto stock.
Hmm.
Now, it's an EV stock, I guess.
Here come
Oh
the
well.
shorts.
DLPN's pulled back to 11. I kind of like the way it looks. A little bit later. DI. Hmm. See what we got. We got 12 minutes till market open.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of possible plays, but nothing
Yeah, nothing standing
really.
out.
Yeah, nothing jumping out at all. We may dump on the SPY.
We may dump on the market.
Yeah.
Everybody. Take one for the team.
I ain't getting caught up in the SPY drop. Yeah, 438. And it's still in that channel though, but just doesn't look like it's going to bounce. But who knows? And there's not any PR hardly. Just Red Book reports U.S. retail sales during the first 4 weeks of July up 15% year over year, and all those sales are just Amazon. No, I'm just kidding. Oops.
Yeah.
Let's see.
WHLM finally trying to pull back. See if it dumps. Nope. Reversing. Reverse. Reverse.
Yeah, making a little triangle consolidation there.
There we go.
Yeah, I was gonna say that's starting to come. Well, let's try.
Uh-oh. 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 Looking dangerous. Holy Jesus. Got a little pump up there. Hit that 655 again with the sort of a double top. So that is not good looking right there.
There it goes, right there. There goes the shoulder.
Yep.
You're in Xcure. First stock over 30 will be the one. But I'm not waiting for any stock to get to 30. I'll find out which one it is before it gets to 30.
One Life says the market may dump at open like about 2%. He said shaking his head.
Yeah, that's what we were saying too. Probably look like a dump, possible dump. Let's see. I thought I put an Xcure on here. Xcure.
Yep. Double top at the
Uh,
55.
yeah, I don't like XCUR at all. It's real barcoding, very low volume at after hours of pre-market. It closed right at the 200, but now it's below this 200, so it's got to break the 200, and then it's got to break $2. A lot of resistance ahead of it. Below all EMAs, very bearish on the 5 minute chart.
WHLM trying to touch the bottom of the ocean.
Oh, first, let's see. Good morning, Nick. You haven't watched the market in a while. How have things been? It's been very
Woo.
volatile and choppy, but there's been plenty of money to make. Oh, first stock over 30% off open will be the one. Okay, gotcha. I was gonna say first stock over 30. That's a weird strategy. But first stock over 30%. Eh, maybe. I don't know. That's very specific because the first stock. Why would it be the first stock? It could be any stock that gets over 30%. I don't know. I think we're gonna see a pull down here at the beginning of the market
Me
on
too.
the SPY. It's gonna drag everything down for a little bit.
Yep.
I'm gonna stick to my strategy. It worked yesterday just fine, and I'm just gonna wait out the first 30 minutes. You need to get
Um,
back into trading. Yeah, you should never left trading. Well, that's a good thing about the stock market. It doesn't go anywhere. You can always come back to it if you took a break for a while.
Mm-hmm.
Might not be here next year, but
All right, so yeah. I don't know what my watch is now. WHLM was the top watch. I don't want HJLI because it literally went up on no news. Has no reason to go anywhere. So
What'd you call it? What'd you say that one was?
JLI.
HJLI.
Super low float up 25%.
Hmm. What do they got? FDA. Oh, FDA breakthrough designation. Last time Neuro got this, and it went nuts.
Oh, you're seeing news for it today?
Yeah, it's granted FDA breakthrough device designation. Same PR as Neuro.
I need
Although
to
I'm
understand
not.
why this isn't showing news. I got that date range in. Let's see.
Let's see, what is it for though? Diagnosis of life-threatening or irreversible debilitating diseases or conditions.
Let me go to FinViz and see if
Okay.
I can find it.
Potential treatment for chronic venous insufficiency, which occurs when valves inside the veins of the leg fail, causing blood to flow in the wrong direction and create increased pressure inside the veins of a leg.
Hmm.
Jesus.
Okay, that changes the situation. I thought it didn't have any news. I didn't know why it was going up, but now that I'm looking at FinViz, I see that.
Yeah, no, it's got the same FDA breakthrough as neuro, but not quite the same importance of the disease, I don't think. I don't know
Yeah.
how common this is. I've never heard of this. I
What
think
was
neuro was for leukemia, wasn't it?
yeah, what is this disease on HJLI?
Something about your blood in your legs reversing and going up instead of down or something, and something crazy, man.
Yeah, it's backflow in the okay. I mean, that's kind of common. When you
Chronic venous insufficiency is the name of the disease.
mm-hmm. A chronic means that it's kind of like going counterclockwise, a way it's not supposed to be.
Right, yeah.
Yeah.
Significantly improve the lives of patients in their first in human study. This is really good PR. So this is definitely one. This is probably,
Well, I'm
let's see,
glad.
it's at 829, so it's going to be gapping up above all EMAs. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And this boy has ran before. Back in September, it ran from 780 to 2025 in one day. And then eight, a little bit below nine, up to 15. It's another big candle from 827 up to 17. So yeah, this thing is a ripper.
All right, cool. Well, that will be my top watch.
Yeah, this one meets all my criteria. Yeah, that's definitely going to be the watch there.
I was wondering why it was over WHLM, and but I didn't see any news for it on my platform. So went out there to FinViz, and boy, that is some nice stuff it's working with.
Oh, Nick, your recent trades were crypto. That's what I'm talking about. Good morning,
Trash.
Lightning Rick. Chronic. Oh yeah, no, I know what chronic means. Did I say I didn't know what chronic means? I was talking about I don't know what this disease is that they're talking about. I've not really heard of it because it's venous insufficiency, whatever.
All right, we got about 2 minutes to the bell. Let's break off.
All right,
Let's get it. Let's
Hal,
get
we'll
it.
talk to you later. Get ready to make some money. Happy trading, Hal, and your peoples over there.
All right.
We'll
Yeah.
holler at you later.
All right. Peace out. Bye bye. All right. So I guess there was news on HJLI that I did not see. So we'll see what happens at the open with it. Good morning, Daniel B. Good morning, everybody. So like Ben just said, I don't know why my news wasn't coming up for that. Hmm. But on Finviz, he's definitely correct with this market, this trader. FDA grants breakthrough device designation status. Veno valve is a potential treatment for approximately 2.4 million U.S. patients that suffer from severe chronic venous insufficiency in deep veins of their legs. All right, definitely. But I'm gonna wait for it. I'm gonna wait for it to see what it wants to do on open. We have about 30 seconds left, and we're gonna see what holds up on the day. Very low float here, but I will be waiting for a pullback if it gets going too early. Let's see what you can do. 10 seconds left. HJLI is my top watch right now. Very good news. Market just opened. See if it'll dump. Had this little bottom here. Getting down there to that bottom. WHLM came up very quickly and now looking like it wants to go through the bottoms down there. Not interested in that. And then let's go back to HJ. There we go. So I'm gonna wait for a little bit of consolidation on HJLI. Even though it has very good news, I'm gonna wait. HJLI popping down. LIXT, what is this? Reports inhibitor with another investigational agent stimulates bone growth and models of dwarfism. Not too interesting right now. Who's gonna be the one on the day? WHLM taking a little stab up there. I don't like that setup just yet. Daniel B says AHPI. Nah, I'm good on that one. I'll let it make it to my scanner first. This one got back up here to this resistance level. Let's see if it can go higher. A lot of resistance up here. Let's see if we can push through it. Getting up there. Ugh, right back to that 650 level. Popped through at that time. Nice. Almost, I thought it was halting. So 10 cents over that last resistance. I'm not impressed. Not impressed at all on that one. Okay, AHPI popping up there on the scanner. Have to wait for a little bit on that one. Right up there to that flat top. Making its way down. Will it fall under the 40s? AHPI. Double top there. Okay. Getting on up there. Wow, look at those snaps down. Don't like that movement. One Life said we may see a little bit of a dump, but this is the first 5-minute candle, so we're going to see what it wants to do after this. Will it fall back under the 40s? Will it give us any pullback? This one's closing up in 30 seconds. Everything else seems to be going down. Let me go and look at this other one we had on here. Okay, this one went down a little bit. Yeah, not liking that. All right, just watch this one. Most volatile right now. Heading on down. VWAP is at the 644. Will we break down the 40s here? Nero. What is Nero doing? Is it acting up again? Eh. Getting those pops. Nero. How much is it up on the day? Okay, yeah, it's not volatile enough for me. AHPI still hasn't done the setup. Auto failing. It's going to 80 bucks. Nero's going to 80 bucks. Wait, didn't Nero like down at like 10 bucks or something like that? Let's see. Nero. Oh, it's at 14. Really, really One Life. Oh, Daniel B, what are you talking about? What were you in? Were you in Nero for these 2 days? Hmm. This one looking like it's finally wanting to test down. Can we break those 40s? AHPI still acting wonky. Auto going down there. AHPI, nice trade on that one. WHLM, doing a nice little pullback there. I want to see what that other one was doing. HJLI. This is the one that I was kind of interested in, but it's gonna have to get up, start showing some strength. It's got the 200 moving average right here at the 736. We do not know where the bottom is just yet, so I'm gonna let it find that bottom. AHPI continuously trying to get up there. But yeah, nice trade, Daniel B. You must have got in while it was flat down here. You had to, unless you bought like right at the open. Getting on down there. Everything's getting on down there. We're gonna see who's gonna hold up. WHLM is about to be off of my scanner if it keeps playing around. Yeah, I kind of figured that. I was like, there's no way because you usually don't even take trades like that, just getting in while it's already going up. LIXT. See what you're doing. LIXT 4.43 million. Okay. Shelf registration for this year on the LIXT float looking like 3.84 million. So 3 or pretty much around 4 million. Got some other things popping up here on the scanner as well. PALT. Any news on that one? Form effect. Very low volume. EYEG. Also moving up here. So we'll see what that one's doing. Hood pushing over $38. Opening price. Nice. It's nice, nice. Nothing doing my setup though, so I'll just continue watching. AHPI getting some pops. PALT. PALT float looking like 4.131. 4.31. WHLM trying to get back up there. Still not believing in it. AHPI has not done anything that I like. LIXT. Who's gonna hold up? It has a top up here of the high of the 1080. Got up there to the high of the 1066. Lost 30 cents right there. Be waiting for that pullback. Nice little pullback. EYEG still popping up there. Okay. WHLM, just a very sporadic stock. Going into a halt right there. All right, so we'll see how this one opens. Does it have a reason to continue? Not really. Very, very choppy around here, around VWAP. Finally broke that flat top, but not my types of moves there. It had a low here, broke that low, and then pulled all the way back up and through and over. So no kind of entries I could have took there. EYEG, is this halted as well? Nope, not halted. How's the other one doing? HJLI. Getting a little bit of consolidation there. Got to get up and pull back. Coming on up there. LIXT still not conforming to my rules. AHPI. Wow. Another little pops up there. I'm going to leave that one alone. No pullbacks as of yet. Let me see what time that WHLM halted. WHLM halted at the 9:45:48. So it should be open up at the 9:50:48. So we'll be looking for. Yeah. Yeah, it's just not looking too good. It's just, I don't even know if it had any news. Nah, not really. AHPI though continues to get balled up here, but I'm gonna wait for a pullback because I don't want to get trapped. Even if it breaks this high, I let those people take that profit. I'm not comfortable with it. High is at the 1080. Let's see if we can push up to the 1080s. Got to get the 60s on there. Don't go back below the 50s. Oh, there's a 48. Nero finally coming up on my scanner. See if it's strong enough to hold the scanner. We'll see. All right, we got about a minute left on WHLM. I'm not looking for any kind of crazy entries here. I don't know how high this thing is going to open up or how high or how far it can fall. So just going to have to play it by ear. But it is the top mover on the day. And yeah, 50.58 is when it's supposed to be popping open. 50.58. Waiting, watching, wondering how high will this one open up? Will it give us a nice pullback or will it be something trash? There we go. 40. Oh, 48. Don't know about that. Make sure it's a lot of red here. Back the other direction. I'm not liking it. I let it do what it does. I'll wait. Yeah. Not worth it for me. About to get shorted down to the ocean bottom. WHLM. We'll see. Let's see. PALT. EYEG went down. Neuro has not done the move. LIXT also down. AHPI looking like it's finally going down. All right. So let's see if it can hold up. Maybe another move like EVK yesterday. I had to get in afterwards to see where it wanted to go. But I'm going to wait and see. Can it hold that $7 up? Or will that become the resistance? So it held up that $7 level, but it just kind of went. It's one of those I kind of missed out on. But it's all good. I look for a new entry. There's plenty of stuff moving today. And this one hasn't even done my setup yet. 750 looks like it hit it and got some rejection there at the 750. If it goes through the 750, it doesn't even matter. It's gone now. I mean, I have to let me run through these real quick. Seed, Nero, barely making moves. Everything else is down. Okay. So yeah, this is the only one. All right. We'll just watch and wait. Oops. So 669 is pretty much where I'm calling, where I want to see a hold up support, 669 right across there. But if it can't, we'll just find something else. EYEG, big pull up. EYEG, I think I've heard of this one before. Let me see. Does it have anything crazy on it? It does have a shelf registration for this year on EYEG. Float is looking like 6.86 million, but I'm not interested with that shelf registration this year. Yeah, not too interesting to me. Okay, AHPI going down. This thing has not formed any new bottoms yet. Last bottom was a 612. Has a lot of room to run down. OLB. Whew, went into a halt. Came out of that halt kind of high. Ran all the way back down. News on this one. Acquire portfolio of 1,000 CBD merchants. Not very likely. Yeah, I remember EYEG, but today though is just not the day for it. Look at that volume. Yeah, I traded right in here somewhere, I think. But look at that chart, that 5 minute chart just looks disgusting. Even if it does go up here, I don't like it. Um, this one, it's like it held up right there. See 1047, 1050s. Let it consolidate a bit more. Don't want to get faked in here. Went up there and touched that 50 again. 1050. Let it pull back some. Will it go below the 40s? Nope. Looks like it wants to go. Below the 40s. Just barely got below the 40s. Hmm. AHPI, big pullback there. WHLM still going up. I believe it's going to be doing a little pullback soon. All right, EYEG, what you got above this bottom here? Bottom level is a 260. Support right there. All right, so let's see what EYEG can do for me today. Does have this top and tail out here on the 15 minute. Let's see, 70s, needs to hold the 70s. Very quick little pump down. Needs to hold the 70s. Will it knock it out of the 70s again? If it does, I'm gonna lose a little bit of taste for it. Knocks it out of the 70s. Only 1,000,000 shares traded. Looks like all the attention is up here on WH. Yeah, I don't like that. Come on, bro. Somebody's got to be making some moves here. Seed. EYEG not looking too good anymore. That one looks like it wants to dive as well. This one continues to pump up. I'm not going to enter here. It's too far gone. I know I'll enter and then get killed. At 750 is holding it, man. There's some buyers, 750s, 51s, 51s. Just not getting it. And there it goes. Very quick out. And then look at it. Ready to kill. He's got blood on his mind. Oh my goodness. That is not good right there. Seed. There we go. Now I like this one. All right. Now I really, really like this one. Entered in a little bit there. Entered in a little bit more. Looking for the pop through here. 300 shares there. Waiting for it to hold that 75. We got the 260 down. Whoa. Big pullback. Can it get bought up here? I will get out down here to 255s on this one. Crazy. Looking for the 70s to come back up there. Ay, ay, ay. Yeah, I'm gonna have to cut it at the 255s. Needs to get back over the 70s. Got my stop out ready to go. WHLM down. APHI down. LIXT, don't like it. EYEG, was one that I wanted to see get back above the 70s here. May come stop me out here. It's all good. Can we get those 70s back up there? That doesn't look too good. Not a lot of volume right now. Can we get those 70s there? Looking a little heavy. Let's see, WHLM coming down and basing out. Yeah, this may be the end of this one for me. See 259s. Yeah, the 15-minute looks really not good. Needs to get back above the 65s and starts to hold those. Yeah. Can we get a pop back over the 60s at all? What's the low of this candle? The low of this candle is the 238s. 238s. May stop me out here. Big size at the 60. It may be sellers. If it is, it's going to destroy me. WHLM trying to consolidate a bit. APH, AHPI got a big buy up there. Looks good on the 5-minute. A lot of snatch down. All right, back out here. Which one was I watching? This one. I don't know if this one's going to get any kind of buying here. Need to see the 62s. Love to see it start to hold this 64 area, but I don't think it's going to give it to me. Can we get those 62s up there? Nope. All right, let's just go and look at something else real quick. WHLM, giving some consolidation. This one looking okay. I like it. Very small moves out though, with big rejections. Let me go back up here to EYEG. Can we get back over the 65s with this one? That one's going down, LT. This one's going down. Got this little flat top here. All right. Any kind of hold of the 62. There's a little explosion. I like it. Whoo, big one down. Looking for it to get through that 66 if possible. Got a little bit of buying here. Need to get through that 66. 65s. Need to see the 61, 62s on the bid. It's like it double bottom down here, low of the 260s. Might have to look to get out there. If it can't, go ahead and blast through this. '61s on the bid. Need to get the 62s there quickly. There we go. Nice. That looked like a double top right there. So 260, I'm gonna have to 259, I'm gonna have to cut it, looks like. It can't get going. Get some more buying pressure. This one broke down. Hopefully some of this action comes over to some of these lower plays. We will see. See if it can get going upwards through this top. The bottom of this candle is a 260. So I put my out at the 259 if it wants to come down there. It needs to go. It needs to get going. Can we get the 66s up here? See the 63s on the bid, but we gotta take over that 64 there. 64s. 65s. 66s. Need to get that 66 and start to hold that on the bid. May not play like I wanted it to. '64s coming on the tape. Can we get the '64s on the bid? Looking weaker and weaker. CACY getting up there. AHPI not liking all of that resistance. LIX getting up there as well. Come like it may break down here. '62s. '64s. Ooh, blasted through that quick. Need to get those buyers around that 61. There's a 6,000 at 61. Can we get going? 63s there. Nice. Can we continue moving up? Taking back the 61s right there. We need to see 62 stay here. Coming back down to the 61, 62s. Wow. AHPI going back up there big. I don't know why I just don't like this stock. Continues to do all these wicks. That's why. I'll miss that one. AHPI did a little bit of consolidating. Boom. Explosion. Nice topping tail there. All right, Dallas. Yeah, I might have to pull my funds out of EYEG. It's not looking good for me. Break of this bottom is the 259. 257. Have to get on out. Had this little downtrend going. Yeah, it's not looking good. I'll leave my stop right there for now. We'll see if it can get going up any. All right, ACY. Okay. So we got a little pullback there. Boy, boy, boy. It was a rough one. Got in on it because it was cheaper, and I was like, oh, this is a cheaper one. It can definitely make moves. Yeah, I know that, Dallas. Yeah, but since I'm in it, I'm keeping my eyes over here as well, because, take my eyes off for a minute. But I do have that stop in there, so I guess that's okay. All right, WHLM did come down and kind of bottom here, which I like. ACY. Still looks like it's not done bottoming. AHPI did form this new bottom down here, so I like that. If it can hold up here, this will be an indecision candle possibly. You made 5K, 50K? What in the world you make that on? Oh my goodness. KH. Wow. Dallas out here getting 50 bands. That is nice. All right, let's go look around. PHIO. Oh, got you, bruh. You, I was like, dang, bro, you making the bands this morning. I don't know what you made it on, but lordy, lordy. All right, this thing's trying to go up again. I don't like it. Okay, I guess I'll stick over here to EY, EG, whatever it's trying to do. This looks like it's holding up a bit. Love to see it back over the 65s, start to kind of hold. There it comes. Can we get the 66s? Nope. All right, what's the bottom of this? The 60s again. Very close to that level. Love for this 35,000 shareholder to move up to the 61s. That would be amazing. Anyway, LIXT going down. That's going down. Everything else is kind of going down and fading. EYEG, though, is now finally trying to give us the moves. Take right there again. 400 shares in. Looking for this pop through. I'm going to go ahead and move my stop up to the 60s, though. Not trying to play with it. $55s. Bottom of this candle is the low. Wow. 61. Instant rejection. 60s. 66s. Can we see those 67s real quick? 61. All right, so I am going to go ahead and look to be getting rid of some of these shares because I don't want it to kill me. Yeah. All right. Let's start looking to get out here. Below that 64. Start to cut it. Looking a little heavy here. Needs to go green very quickly. I see 65s on the tape. 61s. So risking about 10 cents. So 40 bucks. So I'll go ahead and put that in there. If it breaks down, I'll be out. Need to see those 65 start to hold. Okay. Low of this candle was a 61. 65s. $64s. I'll let that one play. WHLM still going up. Anybody get any trades on WHLM? Or nah? I guarantee you somebody got some trades on it. Or EYEG, you look like you're going down a little bit too much and you're going to stop me out. Yeah. I'm like I'm going to be trying to exit here very soon. They can't pull up any. Yep, getting punched there. Whoa. Okay, can we get the 66s there? Can we be a sporadic stock here? Trick up the shorts here. The low of this was the 61. 50. I think I'm already sitting at the 59. Yeah. Got to get those 62s back up there. If not, it's gonna stop me out here. It's whatever. All right. I took a sort of bad placement trade there. APHI top and tail there. A lot of snapping there. Holy Jesus. WLM. Well, into a halt there. Yeah, it's dead. I really should have stuck with the big movers today. It's whatever. Sometimes it happens. It definitely happened to me because I was definitely not confident in WHLM, even though I'm the one that called it out. Oh my goodness. Yep, 60 is getting tested. I'm about to be out of here. 60. Go ahead, just get me out. Go over to WLM. and out. It's like it's coming. It's pretty sure it was coming there. Yep, very close now. Literally a second away from getting me out. Can we get the 61s? Nope. Getting knocked down, 19,000 at the 60. Knocking it down, 18,000. Okay. Okay, so I'm not gonna sit there right there. Let's see what else is moving. All right, so WHLM is the top mover on the day. Let's see if I can recap these. Okay, finally got out of there. All right, WHLM is coming out of this halt at 10:30. Let's see, 10:32, 10:37:50 should be. So right in a couple of seconds. All right, let's play this one. 37.50. Yep. All right, let's get ready and see how high it opens up. Ooh. Okay. Yeah. All right, I'll just wait on that one. That one did not open up the way I thought it would. That was dangerous. All right, let's do this. Got a little indecision candle going on here. See how it can it hold up this previous 770 for our support here. It's very close to that resistance level up there, the 952 now, so we just have to see. All right. Come on. $820s. Okay, it is holding up quite a bit. That was a nice indecision candle. So it has this bottom here of the 775 supports. Can it test the bottom of this one more time, or is it not going to do that? 842s. Looking like resistance right there. Man, I can't believe EYEG did me like that, bro. But I can, because it was definitely not a volatile stock. Oh, no. There's no pressure. I just wanted to get out of that EYEG trade. That was the pressure. All right. So let's see it hold above the 773s. Getting a nice topping tail over here on the 15-minute. Big top and tail right there. So yeah, that was the move. What is this resistance up here? This one has a shelf registration on it. Yeah, that's not looking good on a 15-minute, that big pullback. Profit taking. All right. Well, missed a couple of moves today. I am down about 50 bucks. Let me see, 1%, about 60, 70 bucks should be. Yeah, 61 bucks, which is okay. I pretty much just lost the gains from yesterday, the 50 bucks. So I'm down 10 bucks on the week. Not bad, not horrible, but definitely a horrible trade on EYEG. Okay, so are we getting some consolidation up here? Looks like we are a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, that's why I'm not too worried about it. I mean, $10 down on the week is not just a massive loss. So I'm glad that I cut my losses where I did. Mm, all right. So this one does have a bottom down here that I do like, but I don't know if I want to enter just yet. It's got this bottom of the 810 here as support. We'll see if it can hold around this level. Hopefully it doesn't go up there and double top real quick. Let it pull back some. It's not ready yet to go again. Needs to rest a bit. Okay. I want to see it hold above this bottom here of the 770 if it can. That one continue down. Yep. Over with. Can't hold up the $8. Will it dive under the 8? It's looking like it's having trouble around that 10 level. See if we go ahead and break down. AHPI, like it getting busy here. Let it show me what it wants to do. WHLM did break down at 8. So we got a trend line here. Let's see who's going to be the next stock to get the attention today. All right, back over the 8s there. Holding those eights a little bit. See if it will retest the bottom or will it break this top. This high is the 850s. Bottom of this candle is the 788 right there. Will it break under the 15s? 815. Will we see the 14s there? Getting a little buying pressure there. FLGC. FLGC. Wasn't this one that ran up a whole bunch? Yeah. It's back up there to the top. Okay, this one looks like it's getting ready to try again. 28's holding that up. But that previous resistance, that 891, has got me kind of scared out of there. Could just try it. Let's see if it'll pull back a little bit here. Below the 35s. Nice. Trying to hold those 35s, 32s. We see below the 30s here. There's below the 30s. Okay. All right, well. ACY was one that I was watching earlier as well. Now this one I will try a little bit on, because I believe it can get going. Yeah. Looking for that 50s. There we go. I'm going to try on this one and use VWAP as my out here on these 25 shares. If it wants to go, cool. If not, oh well. 5, 16, 20, 16, 22. There we go. A little rip there. Enter one more time for the continuation. This low is the 1637. 50 shares. 1622s. Let's see if it can get any pressure to the top side. This low is the 1610s. Any pressure to the top side would be great. Throwing something up there, 17s. Can we get $50 locked in and get back green? Low here is a 1637s. Oh my God, I accidentally missed. I accidentally exited out of that. Oh my God. That was not good. All right, let's try it again. Dang it, man. Knew it was gonna go. Gotta be more careful with that. 30 something shares in there. Trying to see it break out here. So I just hold that. The low here is a 1637. Dang it, man. 40 shares in there. Can't believe I did that. Bro, I am on limp. Oh my gosh. I forgot to switch this to stop. That's my mind isn't in the right place for this. I literally just got in the perfect position and it's about to explode. Oh my gosh, bro. Well, yeah, my mind isn't in the right place for this, man. I forgot to change this to stop instead of limit. I was wondering, I thought I had just accidentally sold it, but that stop order was a limit order here. So now look at it. Yeah, it's going to go ahead and go. Oh well. I'm just going to go ahead and get my mind right. I lost 65 bucks today. We can watch this one shoot if we want to. It's going to break this top right here of the 1738. We just need to see over the 17 here, 1705s. Very, very stupid plays by me. Human error. Go ahead and go. I already know you're going to go. That first one. I should have just checked everything before I retried that. Go ahead and go. Get over the 30s. 1730 on the ask. 1710s. Hop up to the 25s. And can we see the 15s there? I can't believe I just did that. I literally accidentally sold on that one, but these are my trades for today. Stupidity at the best. Just, oh my gosh, bro. Got in EYG 400, lost at 15, and then ACY, those, I wouldn't even call them accidental exits. It's just stupid exits. But we can watch it go. It is 9:57 right now. 1720 just got on the bid. We're about to see it lunch up. Going to touch that $18. Let's see you do it, buddy. Little bounce down. Oh, double top. Double time. 28, 27. Whatever. Man, I hate that. Yeah, I'm gonna have to just clear my mind and come back because there's no reason I should have been getting absolutely shredded today like that. This one definitely has the potential to go up there and touch the 18 though, man. 22s. Can we get the buyers to jump up to the 20s again? If they do, it's going to be a nice move out here. 1702s on the bid, 1725 on the ask. It has come down 5 cents. The ask has. 1715 waiting on the bid. 1702s. Whatever, man. Ah. Well, at least I'm down on something that's manageable. So 65 bucks, definitely manageable. Look at my transactions. Oh, there it comes down. Well, I'm not gonna say I'm happy it came down because if I was in it, it would have hurt me. But I'm happy it came down. Oh man. All right, so the buys and sells for today. A couple of buys and sells on ACY, EYG. Just oh man. Overall, it's an okay day. We'll bounce back. I am down $15 now. $15 on the week. All right. Well, I'm gonna go ahead since I have no more money to put into the market today. I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to shut down and get going for the day. Go and make this little $15 back today. All right. Let's get over here. I'll be back tomorrow morning. Clear mind. Today, oh my goodness. I guess hindsight, I guess those X's were kept me out of a bad situation, but still, man. I don't like taking trades and making mistakes like that, human error. Because if I was in a good setup, that would have really hurt me. I didn't go. I didn't. Oh, you talking about on that EYEG? Well, it was a cheaper stock. It was like $2, and so I loaded up on it. EYEG right here. I loaded up on it right in here. So it came in here, started basing out, and I just loaded up on it, and it was a stupid play. Like I said, today just stupid plays all over the place. ACY, what in the world? I guess it just stopped everybody out and then came back up here. That's stupid. Yeah. Well, it bounced up quite a bit, just not getting any kind of volume through it. So WHLM up to 102%. I missed all the moves today. I'm not even gonna continue watching it. It's just if you're gonna continue trading, be careful, make your money, do better than me today. At least I'm not down $100. Oh boy. Yeah, it's all good, Daniel B. We'll be back tomorrow morning. Make that little money back. Little $65. But I do hate wasting trading days. But it's okay. There's always tomorrow. Just got to talk myself down because those are some bad mistakes that I made. Anyway, let's go ahead and get over here. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Today was one of those days, but at least I have something else to make money. um, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe. We'll be back with more content tomorrow live at 8 o'clock for the analysis. I don't know why I called out WHLM and didn't even do anything with it, but it's okay. Thank you for tuning in, Dallas, Daniel B, One Life, everybody that tuned in, Roscoe, everybody. But anyway, I'm gonna go and owl down. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Peace.